Learning to juggle with juggling bean bags. If you've not been juggling at all, I'd recommend going and looking at the scarf tutorials first. It's much easier to learn the pattern with scarves than it is with bean bags. Step one of learning to juggle with bean bags is taking two of them and putting them away. Practicing with one object is really important when we're trying to be consistent with our throws and catches. The one bean bag needs to go from one hand to the other and back again. You're aiming to get these nice and consistent in a nice arch shape. So from your left to right and from your right to left wants to be about your own head height and as much as possible an arch or a rainbow shape in front of you. Go and get your juggling bean bag and have a practice at this on your own. So you've been practicing with one beanbag and you're confident you can have a nice consistent throw with both your right hand and your left hand. Next we need to go and get our second beanbag. This stage is all about practicing this pattern. Throw, throw, catch, catch. We're not trying to keep on juggling. Throw, throw, catch, catch. We're practicing this over and over again. Throw, throw, catch, catch. The throw should be the same height and the same shape, that nice arch shape we spoke about, that you've been practicing with one beanbag. We're looking for both beanbags to go about your own head height. So it's throw, throw, catch, catch, again and again. The more you practice this, the easier it will be to learn three beanbags. So pause the video and have a go. Throw, throw, catch, catch. So you've been practicing throw, throw, catch, catch, and you can get it pretty consistently. Now's the really tricky bit. We're going to see if we can get all three beanbags in the air and landing back in the hands. Again, to start with, we're not aiming for a continuous juggle. We're aiming for 3 throws and eventually 3 catches. This is what it looks like. 1, 2, 3, stop. So let's break that down a little bit. To throw 3 juggling balls, you're going to have to start with 2 of them in one of your hands. If you're right-handed like I am, I will put 2 beanbags into that right hand. The one that's in the front here in your fingertips is the one that you're going to throw first. So for me, it's going to be the pink beanbag. What we learned in stage 2 is that we throw one hand and then the other. So I'm going to throw the pink beanbag and then with my left hand the red beanbag, which only leaves the orange. So let's have a look again. I'm going to say the colours out loud this time. Here we go. Pink, red, orange. And that's it. 3 throws and 3 catches. This is what you need to practice over and over again. So reset back to the beginning. I've mixed them up this time, so it's going to be pink, orange, red, stop. 3 throws, 3 catches. Always start with the same hand, so you're learning that consistency. So, the continuous juggle. This is what we're aiming for eventually. It can take a while to get here. So if you're struggling with 4 or more catches, go back a step and practice 3 throws, 3 catches. Your 3 different colours are going to be really useful at this stage. So remember, always work out what sequence it's going to be before you start your juggling attempt. So for me this time around, it's orange, red and pink. It's the same thing that you've just practiced to get starting, but we're going to try and add a catch every time we have a practice, and eventually you'll be juggling continuously before you know it. So here we go, it's orange, red, pink, orange, one more time. So that was actually 4 throws and 4 catches. So from here on out, it's just trying to add a catch each and every time. It's always one hand and then the other. The consistency and height of those throws is really important, and this is what takes a lot of practice to get. So here we go, let's have a look again. I'm orange, pink, red, orange, pink, red. And it will actually keep going once you practice for a few hours, the same sequence of colours over and over. If you look again now, it's still orange, pink, red. And that's all we're looking for. If you're struggling to get this going, go back a step and practice again.